All right. All right. All right. All right. Here we are. We have made it back. We've made it back in front of the camera. So that gives us another day, another opportunity to become better, to become a better person, become, to evolve into the best version of whatever yourself is. Today we're going to be talking about our next trade. This trade right here, man. If you stay with me, if you check this, I'm gonna show you what I found. Okay, this is what we're talking about. From fracking to financial freedom, this is what we do. We're looking at this thing from a money making standpoint. Okay, so I want y'all to learn this skill, man. Please, just check this skill out, and so you can really help you when you're on just kind of sitting at work and you're learning about the market and learning how to trade. I mean, it's consumed me. It's absolutely amazing. It's a very powerful skill. Okay, so let's go. Let's get into it. Hit that like button, subscribe button on the way in. I mean, come on. I mean, who wouldn't want to get this message out? You know what I'm saying? And try to help people and try to help people learn their skills. So let's go. Let's go. We are back. Let's get into it. And let's learn something today. Hopefully when the video's over, give me a like. And hopefully you were smarter than you are, or you learned something that you didn't know. All right, so enough babbling. Let's go. All right. All right. So check this out. Let's get straight to it. All right. So let me jump in here. Right there. Okay. So right here, what we're looking at. So we are looking at the company UNH. Okay. And so what has happened to UNH is they have been going through lately. Well, I think just it started this year. Excuse me. They had some things go through earnings, and they had I think they were alleged. I'll have to fact check that, but I think they were alleged with some kind of somebody was some kind of financial crime, like in management. So from what I understand of it. So anyway, so I saw, and that this is UNH is like a Wall Street like darling. Okay, so it is it is huge. This company right here is a huge part. I mean, banks, institutions, all big money, big money. Man, do I need to say it again? Big money, big money. I thought I was headed. All right, big money. All right, I had to get my round of applause. Okay, so check this out. Look at this. So look, we're looking at this company from the last 5 years, right? So if you can see on these lines right here, 1, 2, this is the beginning of this year, 2025, 2024, 3, 2022, and so on. So this goes back 5 years. Okay. So look at this. I mean, it's been just on a rise. It's been on a rise, and it kind of, I mean, for about 3 years straight, this company was just trading sideways. This is what we call trading sideways. There's 3 ways that a stock can go, right? Up, down, or sideways. All right, so you just learned something. All right, you just learned something. It can go up, down, and sideways. It goes 3. There's only 3 directions that it can go, and you have to figure out which direction that it's going. So what I was looking at is, if you look at here, if you look all the way through here, all the way up to this year. So this year, we get to this year, right? And let me blow up on that. That's just basically the beginning of this year until now. Look at that. When they went through their little at earnings, and it completely fell off a cliff. Boom. It completely fell off a cliff. And look, it looks like we found a bottom. Now, the reason why I'm showing y'all this is because this is where you buy it. This is where you buy it. This is a perfect, that's why I wanted to show you. This is a perfect example of where you should buy it if you want to make, I mean, long-term money. Now, look, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? So this is not, I'm not some kind of, I'm not going to put you under anything. I'm not telling you to buy anything or sell, hold or sell anything. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm just telling you what I'm doing with my money. So I'm telling you, trying to teach you something. This is right here. This stock is, let me go back out. All right. So look, this stock is normally $630, dog. $630. All right. So look, if you blow it up to what it is now, if you go down, it's dropped all the way down to $244. So I'm telling you, think about it. When the record scratches, this is where you buy it. This is where you buy it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take me some, I'm going to do a couple of options. I'm going to probably do a long outdated call option. I'll probably invest. This is an investment right here. This is a company, this is a company that you are in, you put money in for the long term, 5 years, 10 years. You put money in this. So I would even invest in right here. Shoo, man, if I had maybe a G, 1,500, 500, boom, I would get me a couple of shares of UNH. I'm telling you, Warren Buffett, they just said last week, Warren Buffett put a bag on this because he saw it. Michael Berry put a bag on this because he saw it. And I'm trying to tell y'all, look, UNH is, I want you to, so that's what we're looking at this. So I want you to look at the different time frames with me and we'll get out of here. Okay. So look, let's jump out. We're going to jump out to the monthly. Okay. Now, each one of these candles right here are 1 month. Okay. Some were red, some were green, meaning some were, you had people selling more during this month when you see the red, and then green obviously is when you see people buying more. So if you can look at this, and I put these two lines because of this is the trade range that it has been in for the last 2 years, all right, or for the last 5 years really. But so look at that. This is the monthly, okay? So these candles represent, which will more once I get to doing more in the episodes, I'll teach you about indicators. I mean, I can hit you with a little bit of it right now. So when you see a stock go down, check this out, right? When you see a stock go down, you want to look down here at what we call the MACD, okay? This is the MACD. Now, when you see these, let me blow it up real quick. No, I'll tell you what. Yeah, no, right here. This is the MACD. Now, when you see this blue line is what we call the signal line. That's the signal line. And this MACD is moving average convergence divergence. So this is a momentum. This kind of tells the strength of your momentum, the momentum of the move. Like a car could be coming like real fast or it could be coming real slow. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So it tells you the momentum of how strong the move is of the stock. Okay. So when you see this right here, the median is 0. Okay. Anything above this right here, it's going to be bullish, meaning that it's probably going to be going up. Anything below 0, that's going to be bearish. And that's what we call, and it's going to be going down. Look at that, man. Let me get it right. You just, man, I'm spitting I'm spitting knowledge out today. Come on. Man, I'm dropping knowledge today. You got to listen to it. So that's the MACD. Okay. So that's anything below the line is bearish. Anything above the line is bullish. Okay. So this is right here. Last one. This is what we call the RSI. Okay. So that's going to be the relative strength index. Okay. So this tells how strong the move is. Now you had momentum, if you get a ball rolling down the hill and it starts picking up momentum and you're like, damn, it's going fast. That's what the MACD indicates. The RSI is how strong it is. How strong it's fixing to come at you. I'm spitting gems today. So anyway, when you look at the RSI, okay, anything above 50, all right, if you see these numbers over here to the far corner, you have 30, and it really goes, it's 0 to 100. It's a scale of 0 to 100. But what you want to pay attention on is the 30 right there about 30, and then 60. The reason why I say that is because anything over 60, she's going to the absolute moon. Anything over 60, Oh, look at that. That's how excited I got. Anything over 60, it's gone. It's gone. Anything below 30, she's gone. She's gone. She's went down. She's going down. Okay. So you just learned something. RSI is the strength. The MACD is the momentum. Okay. So look at this stock real quick. Look at this. And I got the rambling, but I'm teaching. I'm throwing some good information out there. I wish I could take it. So if look, this is the monthly. All right. We went to the monthly and we found a base. It hit like it looks like the bottom of the ocean floor or something. You know what I'm saying? So look, it just, you hold a line right there and boom, that's where she landed. You know, it's like throwing something in the ocean and then boom, it hits the bottom. You know what I'm saying? So this is what happened here. So this is where you buy it. All right. So if you can see those candles, it's for the past 2 months, it has not fell under 200 and about 49, 200, about right at about $250 in there. Hadn't failed below. So what you want to do is you want to look, that's the monthly. Now you want to go to the weekly, all right, and see what it looks like. So now when you look at this here, this is week. Every last one of these candles are 1 week. Okay. So same thing. Look, it went to the beginning of the year. She went over and then she absolutely fell. And it just, you know, this is the same thing. You're looking at the same thing, but it's just from a monthly to a weekly point of view now. Okay. So this is 1 week. So look, I mean, bottomed out. Now, if you look at your indicators, look at something. So remember we said anything below 0 is bearish and it's going pretty much down. But this is an indicator right here, because when you see the signal line cross up, that's an indicator. That doesn't mean that it's going up. That's just you should look and say, it crossed up. Might need to keep my eye on it. That's all that's all you need to look at. And on the RSI, look, she's at about 40. Okay, so that's going to be right in the middle. So you might need to just keep your eye on it. All right, so then we go down to the daily, is where I love to stay, is on the daily. That tells you almost everything. This is all these candles here are 1 day all the way back out to this year. So again, look at it. All the way, if you, let me see, if I can get this out of the way. Yeah. Now, I want you to look at this trend. You know, things move by trends. All right. And so if I draw that right there, let me come back out. Boom. Okay. Now, if I draw these are what we call trend lines. And this is going to stay, boom, right there. Now, so that's I forgot what they call that. It's a descending bearish channel. That's just a descending bearish channel. And a descending bearish channel is bullish. That means that when you see things falling like this, you watch it and you don't ever want to catch a falling knife. Like you don't ever want to just be investing in it and it's still going down. You want to try to wait until it finds some kind of base and you see volume. You see volume right here. And that's our next indicator right there. See these bars? That tells how many people are buying and selling. See this right here? That tells you, there was a whole bunch of selling. Millions of people sold it that day. And you've seen the reaction of the price. And then if you look over here, you see it's kind of hit a bottom. And so look at here. If you see people, you see some volume coming back in. You see some buying. So you're like, I think people are jumping in and getting ready for the ride up and down. If you look at your MACD, look at here. She's crossed up and she's about to go above 0. So RSI, she's at 61. So what does that tell you? After everything we just talked about, what does that tell you? So that's what I wanted to show you. UNH. Keep your eye on UNH. That's what I want the homework assignment to be tonight. Is UNH. Okay, so I want you to read about it. It's our insurance. United Health is. I'm pretty sure that you're probably insured. You probably have medical, dental, vision with United Health. United Healthcare. They're at a bunch of employers use them. They're huge. It's just a huge company. All right. So that was good. That was good right there. I'm telling you, I put some information, I put some hard information out this morning. Dang, I hope somebody takes something from it. So, like, subscribe. Man, like and subscribe the channel. Help your boy out. Help your boy out. Please help your boy out. Now, I'm just playing. Now, but give your boy a like, man. Like, subscribe to the channel. If that, I mean, we're going to be doing this. We're going to be looking at money plays. I'm fixing to find some money plays. You're going with me or you're going to stay here. There may be some that are wrong. We may lose money on some of them because losing money in the stock market is inevitable. Inevitable. Losing is part of the game. Just like you pay a fee to get in Disney World or you pay a fee to get in Six Flags, you pay a fee to be in the stock market and to make millions and millions of dollars. Boy, you better get me. Telling you, I'm dropping knowledge this morning. Man, I'm telling you. All right, so from frac hand to financial freedom, from frac hand in the oil field, in the oil and gas industry to financial freedom, anybody can do it. They just have to want it. All right? This is your boy Low Trey from frac hand to financial freedom. Real talk. Assignment is UNH. I'm out.